Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 67 Reg 118D M Sport 5-door hatch in Estrel Blue. As you can see, the vehicle also features a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which works really well with the Estrel Blue colour. We've had the 18-inch M Sport alloys fully refurbished in the jet black, and they also come all the way around with 4 brand new tyres. At the front you can see the facelifted LED headlamps on this vehicle. It is of course also a full facelift vehicle. Down the side we've got the satin side vinyls. It does also come with the BMW sun protection glazing. Of course the Estrel Blue is a very popular colour on any of the BMW range, and that is certainly the case on this wonderful 1 Series. For the interior, it's got the half cloth and half Alcantara interior with the M highlights, as you can see there. We've also got a 6-speed manual gearbox on this vehicle, and we shall of course show you more of the interior details as we make our way around. We've also got the front electric lumbar adjustment. For rear passengers, you will find an exceptionally spacious rear seat arrangement with all of the ISOFIX points. And again, being the M Sport model, there is that lovely darkened M Sport headlining. And again, everything is exceptionally clean and tidy in the back of the vehicle. Once again, you can see for yourselves there how well these 18-inch alloys have come out and how well they do work with the Estrel Blue. We've also gone for the very nice rear spoiler on this car, and round at the back you will see there once again we've opted to go for the standard looking ferric grey rear diffuser. The boot space for the 1 Series is by far one of the largest in its class, and thanks to clever innovative little items such as the little luggage hooks you can place things onto, makes it an all-round very practical and very good little car to have every day, but also a very fun one to drive. Split folding seats also, LED rear lights of course, and round onto the driver's side once again you can see everything is very clean and tidy. We've also got to show you more of the inside of course, once again showing you off that wonderful sun protection glazing. And we shall now go ahead and take a seat inside the car. Being a facelift vehicle, we do also get the very nice looking LED backlit display, and we'll talk more about that shortly. On the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, we've just got the speed limiter, voice and volume controls on this vehicle. In terms of overall mileage, it has covered just over 20,000 miles, as you can see there. We've also got the BMW business navigation and media screen. This one comes equipped with the Connected Drive Plus, giving you access to all of the online search, news and weather apps. There's also a fantastically easy sat-nav system to use, which also has real-time traffic updates, Bluetooth telephone and audio, as well as the DAB listing and all of the other multimedia inputs such as AUX and USB. So there is a look around a very nicely presented 118D M Sport here at Your Next Car. And again, if you would like some more information on this vehicle, I'll leave some links for you in the description. On behalf of us all here at Your Next Car, thank you very much for watching the walk around. I do of course hope you found it useful, and we will of course hopefully see yourselves very soon. If you would like to get in touch, remember that all of the relevant information for you to do so is in the description. Thank you, take care, bye bye.